guys, my name's Roxie. I'm from Hunter Gatherer Chef. We're here on Restoration Island where Mark and I have been living for the last 10 days. We've been so lucky just to have the reef at our fingertips. We've been out fishing pretty much the whole time. We were lucky enough to find ourselves a sharky mackerel. Now everyone prefers the Spanish mackerel, which is obviously beautiful, but because we've got our hands on these, they're going to be perfect for some Thai fish cakes, which is what we're making today. We're going to try and do it the really traditional way. So we don't have any food processors here, we don't have any of those fancy gadgets, so we're going to do it with a spoon. What we're going to do is I'm going to start peeling back all of the flesh, and it's going to create a bit of a paste, which will be perfect for our fish cakes. About a kilo of fish here. You can halve this recipe because this is a lot and it's going to make a lot of fish cakes, but it's what we had. So I'm going to start by seasoning the fish first with lots of salt. So the thing that makes fish cakes so special is the curry paste that you use. You can use red curry paste because that colour that comes through when you fry them is beautiful. I'm actually going to use a Panang curry paste because this is my favourite, and especially this brand, AR. I don't know what it is about this one, but it drives that kefir lime. It's got all the flavour. It's not too spicy, so you can really spice it up if you want to. So a tablespoon of this per 500 grams. Again, with the egg, we use 1 egg per 500 grams. Today I'm using 2 eggs because I have a kilogram. We're going to start by putting the egg in the bowl and whisking it first before we put it in, just put a little bit of air through it. In go the red onions, and in go the green beans. And then just add your chilli depending on how much spice you like. Now this is the fun part, getting your hands dirty. If you don't like getting your hands dirty, this isn't the recipe for you. But we just love to feel the food and enjoy the food. And just like, I don't know, keep it easy, keep it simple. Use the fish that you catch, use what's available to you. Now that we've kneaded all that air into it and we've got that real beautiful sticky fish cake consistency, what you want to do is pick it up in a bowl. So you know it's ready because you can pick it up in a bowl. And then this is what they do in Thailand. I don't know why, I don't know if it's a good luck thing. Haven't done it any other way, so we're just going to stick with it. And you're just going to slap it in the bowl. Ready? Literally shape this however you like. I like mine as a slight ball, not super flat, because I think they have a better texture, but it's up to you. Traditionally they do them flatter. Yeah. Also, it's pretty much one of the best things about the fish cakes, in my opinion, and I never feel like Thai restaurants give you enough of it, so I'm going to be making a big batch. Now, first thing, I want to add a tablespoon of palm sugar. Next, we're going to add the fish sauce. Tablespoon of sweetened vinegar, Chinese vinegar. Now we're going to add in the red onion. Next the chilli. Chilli's going to give this a great kick. Now the lime juice. Then we add fresh garlic. Then fresh Thai basil for fragrance. Now mix everything together until the palm sugars dissolve. I'm just going to finish this off with a couple tablespoons of this sweet chilli sauce. Just thicken it up, give it that really nice consistency, add a little sweet and chilli to it. It's actually really beautiful. We've lit the fire and now we're waiting for the oil to come up to heat. It's important to check that your oil is hot so that your fish cakes have a consistent high temperature and they turn out golden and crispy. Straight into the pan, really hot pan, you'll see them boil, absolutely beautiful. And then you'll know they're ready once they get a really beautiful, crispy, golden outside. They should be cooked in the middle. Alright, once these guys come to the surface, they're starting to float, they remove themselves from the bottom of the pan, you know they're ready. We've just removed them from the oil, straight onto the paper towel. So beautiful, they're going to be crispy and nice and moist on the inside. Tastes just like a fish curry but better. Straight for the money shot, baby. So good. Make this. If you guys love this recipe, our recipe will be on our website, huntergathererchef.com.au. Otherwise, we'll drop it in the link, or whatever you're watching this, we'll make sure there's a recipe below. Hope you enjoy. Like and share, baby!